Me, that's what I'm talking. Just sit there. Sit down. So, look at the two pupils in front of you. You see that you notice very well. They are looking different from the regular uniform you wear to school every day. So, we have this in preparation for next session. You know you are now in primary 3. Well, next time you will be going to primary 4. So now you are in the senior class. So we want to make this dress or dresses different from the regular one we usually come to school with. So from next time, put mark new academic session. So this is what you will be wearing to school. You see this girl, Patience Tobias, wearing. So Patience Tobias is wearing a blouse with a skirt. So you know the tie is different from the your color, the normal color you put on hair. And gentle boy there. So his own tie is differentiating his own uniform from the normal one you put on. Is that okay? So coming next session or next time, this is what you will be wearing to school.
If you pass.
Okay, provided you pass your exam and you promote to primary 4. So you must prepare, you know, for next exam, and you make sure that you pass so that you can wear this dress next time. Is that okay?
If you don't pass, you continue with what you have right now and you stay in primary 2.
Is that okay?
So, ready to do hard work and do well. Yeah?
Is that okay? So when you must work, so you concentrate this time very much on your class work, and you read, you make sure you pass so that you can wear this uniform next time. Is that okay? So this is courtesy of mommy. So she told us to get something like this ready for her so that she saw it, she was glad about it, and she approved that we have this for next class, which is primary 4. So you wear it in primary 4 and primary 5. So let's say thank you to mommy.
And part of the essence of having this is that when you're in primary 4 now, you start having like class prefect, school prefect. You start looking after, you know, you tell the nursery children, you don't make noise, yeah? So you're learning how to become responsible, yeah? So that you do, after primary 4, primary 5, and then you go to secondary school. So this is part of him taking you to make you more responsible, make you feel like you're in a senior class, yeah? Because others will still be wearing this uniform.